This video will show you how to replace the keyboard in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad T16 Gen 3. You will need a screwdriver kit, a non-metallic pry tool, and 15 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Make sure to disconnect your power adapter from the computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Loosen the 2 keyboard screws on the bottom of the system. The captive screws do not come out of the base cover assembly. Do not try to remove them. Slide the keyboard toward the back of the system and lift the front edge. Pull the keyboard out from the bezel and flip it over. Disconnect both keyboard cables from the system board. Remove the keyboard from the system. Place the keyboard upside down on the system. Connect both keyboard cables to the system board. Flip the keyboard over and insert the top edge under the bezel. Lower the bottom edge and slide it downward. Tighten the 2 keyboard screws on the bottom of the system. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. To learn more about your device, go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.